What's up everyone? So I decided to make a quick video in my local area with my new camera. It's the GoPro Hero 6. I will be using this probably for my vlogging, especially travel vlogging and my entrepreneur videos in the future. As of now, I'm going to still record with my iPhone until, I start to get to know my new camera, and I will still post pictures with my iPhone. That's not going to change. So it's going to take some time to get used to my new camera. I will be looking up tips and tricks for how to take better videos and possibly some photos of my GoPro. So look forward to that. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be posting more with my new GoPro in the future. And make sure you comment below if you have any questions. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.